Hi, I'm Yvonne Mugure. Welcome to my channel, and I will be showing you guys how to get these beautiful nails at home on the cheap. So if you want to know how to do that, stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna be starting out with these nails from Kiss. So I got these from Walmart for $10, and these are super cheap. So what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna take them out, of course, and these have like rhinestones and cute like glitter, and they come with the glue, as you see down there with the pink one right there. So you open them up, and these are there's a glue, and these are the ones that come like the top ones. So you're able to use these, and when you open this up, baby girl was struggling. When you open this up, you'll see the other nails underneath, and it also comes with a nail file and a little stick that pushes the cuticles back. So that's what this comes with. Why am I struggling to open them? Let me just put that aside. I'm gonna get that. But this is what the nails look like. So they come with 30 nails, and some do have designs and some do not. Actually 30 have designs. 30 of them in there, and then 12 of them out of the 30 have the designs on them. So what you're going to start doing is take that little stick that they give you and push your cuticles back. And this is not my first time I've done this. And before, I never used to think this step was that important, to be honest. I don't know, there's even a time I didn't even push my cuticles back. I was just like, let me pop these things on. This makes so much over difference, because this little skin that hangs on your cuticle little skin, sometimes you can glue your nail that's on top of it or next to it, and it actually doesn't help with the oils that are on there don't help with it sticking on your nail. Do you guys get what I mean? Do I even get what I mean? I'm saying that this is really, really important to help the nails last as long as possible. And something else that's important is filing your nails. So before I started doing this, I didn't show this, but I didn't have any lotion on my nails. I made sure I just washed them. Nothing is on there. This is another critical part, filing. Filing is really, really important, because this will help the glue and the nail stick on your actual nail. So this is another part that I never used to care for, but just take it from me that's done this several times now. This is really, really, really important too. So you want to file your nails on the top, and this little nail file isn't that rough, so it's not putting wear and tear on my nails or anything. But this is what it looks like. But make sure you do this as well. Super, super duper important. You want to file these nails. All right, and then we're gonna get to the glue. So we're gonna try to pop this open right here. And I got it on my nails, and this thing is kind of sticky, and it comes with this teeth thing looking. You just kind of twist it, and don't do this. I use my teeth to do it, and I got some glue on my teeth, so don't do that. Just use your your hand, your finger, and just twist this to the right, to the left. Twist it however to just pop this thing open. So we're gonna be twisting this all the way open. And there we go. It is open now. And you're just gonna take a little bit. You don't need that much. I overdid it. Actually, no, I think this was fine. So I put that dot, and then I didn't push the whole time. I just used it to spread it around. You get what I mean? So I put some on there, and I put the little cap on there, and I take the nail. And something really important, I did pick out the nails. I measured them beforehand. So that's also something really important I didn't mention. And you want to hold this for, people say 5 seconds. I say 30 seconds to make sure it does not go anywhere. So hold it and keep pushing it for 30 seconds, each nail. And I assure you, this will help so much in staying. But yeah, you want to pick out your nails first to see which one fits, so that you don't have to look for it while you're waiting when you're doing this process. You just want to have all and everything set up beforehand. So you're pushing it, push it. there we go. And that's on. Doing the same thing on here. I put the glue. Now I'm putting the little nail. Same thing again. And I'm gonna repeat this a few times until I get to the last one. So just watch me do it. All right, and now we are on the last nail. I was trying to like bring it up closer to the camera, so I'm like trying to show it to you guys. But this is where I didn't mess up, but like it didn't stick on as fast because I just didn't have a great grip on it. I was trying to show you guys, but that didn't work in my favor. So make sure you I just went back to doing it how I was doing it before. So now I'm gonna push it, and you guys, that is literally it. It's not that hard. It's at home. It lasts a long time, and this is it. And this little, I love that lip balm. And this is what the nails look like. I went outside to give y'all a little show, you know. But if you guys like this, make sure to subscribe and thumbs up my video. I hope it was descriptive and helpful. It's nothing complicated, super simple. And I hope it was really, really helpful. And let me know if you guys try this at home. I know a lot of people right now, it's quarantine. We don't have salons. We don't have anything open. At least I'm in the East Coast right now. We don't have things open. So this is super quick and simple. You can do it at home, and it's super cheap. You don't have to break the bank. So let me know what you guys think of these nails. Make sure you like it and subscribe if you do like the nails, and make sure to come back for my other videos. I've been out here. I've been consistent. With my videos. So make sure you come back, and I will see you next time. I'm Yvonne Mugure, and I'm still polishing this gold, and I hope you continue to do so too.